Okay, today I just wanted to speak a bit more about Midjourney and using it with the laser. It uses artificial intelligence to convert text into images. What you want to do is click on Midjourney. So this is just a few of the images that I generated. These I typed in, it shows you down there, I typed in 3D STL grayscale, and these will work on the laser. This was the one that I used the other day, and there's the upscaled version, which is pretty big and it's, pretty clear. Actually really prints out nice for the laser. But also these for the laser, like, photorealistic. But the opportunities with it really are endless. I mean, not only, I asked for a detailed dragon, and, like it'll give you, and these are all unique images. Like I typed in a bulldog logo, and, like any of these you can turn into black and white and etch them, and they would etch fine. But I would suggest really asking for, like a 3D bulldog grayscale STL, them kind of words, and then that way it'll work a lot better on the laser. I ask it look for a laser cut file, and these are just generated by it. You can see the hand there is not quite right, but even just for ideas for the laser, I mean, it gives you some, great ideas. I got about 26 generations before my free trial ran out, and I just wanted, to type in and say this is actually my own photo I put in there, and I asked it to make me a Pixar character, but the photo I put in weren't very good, so I typed in like that one, Mike Tyson in a dress with blonde hair, just to see. You can see it does like an amazing job, like a perfect Photoshop. And yeah, these others, like I put images in with these. It was a motorcycle, and I asked it to grayscale it for me, and you can see what it done. I'm going to go to the actual page and generate one image just to show how you would do it. So once you're on there, the first thing you want to do is put a forward slash and type imagine. Or you can see once you put a forward slash, all this stuff pops up. Imagine's at the top here. So I'm going to click that, and you can see now it's popped up prompt. And if you're using it with the laser cutter, some of the words that are good to use is like 3D, STL, grayscale, especially grayscale, because it kind of sets it up for the laser. Then you wouldn't even really need to take it into a software. You could brighten it up a little bit and just use it as it is. But 3D STL grayscale, Great Pyrenees, because that's my dog, and I just put wearing a cape and crown, just to show that it will understand what you're talking about. So now I'm just going to press enter. See here it says jump to present, because I've been sitting on here not moving. I have to jump to present, and you can see mine. You just want to scroll up to where yours is and just watch your one, so you don't lose where it is, because they keep, other people are on here and it keeps adding. You can see if I scroll down, they keep adding on the bottom, even though when yours is done it will add on the bottom. But you can see here it started to generate it. This is, this is half finished, and when it disappears, like now it's disappeared, now it'll be down the bottom. So yeah, I'm going to click on that, open original, and you can see now, like I could, you could easily, what you do is, whichever one you're happy with, if I wanted, I would go personally with number one myself, because it actually looks like the dog. This is upscale, so upscale one would upscale this one, upscale two, and so on, 3 and 4. So if I like this image, if it didn't quite look like my dog, or there was something I didn't like about it, I could click that and it would give you a variation of number one. So you can either upscale it and keep the one you want, or you can click variation and it'll give you a variation just of this one. From there, once you upscale it, the photo will come up like this. You say open original and it'll open in another page. You just want to left click on it so it expands, and then save image as, and then you can just use it like you would usually, use a normal image on your computer. But yeah, there is so much you could do. I mean, that's just because I typed in that, but I mean, you could literally type in anything. Yeah, this Midjourney is really an amazing tool. especially for the laser. I'm just going to go quickly to this showcase just to show some of the ones that have been generated. So you can see there that they put in lovely lips dripping, extremely realistic 4K. And you can see what it brings up. Close up metalhead. But yeah, just take a look through there. This is the community showcase, and you can see the images on there, which are just, you know, generated from nowhere. Amazing. And like I say, great for ideas. And if someone asks you to create them a logo, you could at least come on here and type in, you know, logo for a hat company, and it will generate the logos, and then you can get your variations from there. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure people, you know, get to see this because it's really mind-blowing. So thanks very much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.